In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Expensify report using the new Expensify interface. Managing expenses efficiently is crucial, and sometimes that means deleting reports you no longer need. Let's dive into the easy steps you can follow to make sure obsolete reports are out of your way. We begin by navigating to your dashboard on Expensify. The dashboard is your control center, where you can oversee everything related to your expenses. It's important to start here because it provides an overview of all the actions you can take, which helps to streamline the process. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Reports button. You'll want to click on this, as it will take you to a section dedicated to all your reports. It might seem straightforward, but making sure you're on the correct tab will save you time and effort. Within this Reports section, you may notice that there's another submenu also named Reports. This second layer offers a more specific view catered to individual reports, making it easier to locate the one you wish to delete. Click into this submenu, which allows you to access a more tailored list. Now, with the refined list in front of you, scroll through or use any available search features to select the specific report you want to delete. It's crucial to ensure you select the correct report, as deletion is often irreversible, and you want to avoid doing this to any reports you still need. After confirming the report you want to remove, click on View. This will bring up the details of that report, providing you with a final opportunity to review its contents before proceeding with deletion. It's a good practice to double-check this to avoid any accidental deletions of important data. When you're ready to move forward with the deletion, search for the More option once you're viewing the report. Clicking More brings up additional options, one of which is Delete. This step is where the actual action of deletion is initiated. Ensure you're absolutely certain before you click on this. After clicking Delete, the system will prompt you with a confirmation message. This is a safeguard step, asking if you're sure about deleting the report. It's another chance to reconsider and verify the decision isn't made in error. If you're sure and ready, click Delete once more to finalize the process. And there you go. You've successfully navigated the process of deleting an Expensify report. It's straightforward once you know how, but each step is vital in ensuring that only the reports you truly want to remove are deleted. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Be sure to keep your Expensify organized and efficient.